Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I'll be talking about the sede Precompilato and how you can prefill it. But before I continue this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and also follow my Facebook page Bukola Ori. If you have any question, you can send me a message on my Facebook page. All right. So the pre-filled 2021 sede 30 is now available from today, which is the 10th of May, where you can access the tax return prepared by the Agenzia delle entrate. So the sede 30 is about your tax return. It's the tax return given to you by the government, by the Italian government. And there is time until the 30th of September to submit your application for the sede 30. And to access the Agenzia delle entrate website, you'll be needing your SPID or CIE, which is the Carta d'Identità Elettronica, or CNS, which is Carta Nazionale dei Servizi, credentials. And from the 19th of this month, listen carefully, from the 19th of this month, it will be available to proceed with any changes and send it. So you can't send it now until the 19th of May. That's the 19th of this month. You can only do a kind of prefill, like choose the type of sede 30 and all that. So right now what we'll be doing is going to the Agenzia delle entrate website. An easy way to just go to their website is just to go to Google and type sede 30 Precompilato 2021. So the next step right now is logging in so that I can access the Dichiarazione Precompilata. So now I will be logging in with my SPID. So right now, guys, we can't really do much because we can only make changes and submit from the 19th of May. And so what I'm just gonna do right now is to choose my modello, Shelly il modello. So I'm just gonna go ahead now to choose the type of modello sede 30 I want. Okay, so just look at it as I just follow the steps. Okay. So I did it before and I want to start all over again so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I have set it okay that it can guide me, and here is asking me question. It's asking if I'm a resident of Italy, and I said yes. So right now I'm going to go ahead that I've read everything and I'm accepting everything. So yeah, I'm going to choose the type of modello sede 30 I want. That's already chosen it for me, but you're going to choose modello sede 30, and you cannot do after that. You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything after this because you can only do. You can only start making changes from the 19th of May, like from the 19th of this month. So but what I want to advise you, all is that even after you've done everything online, don't send it until you let your patronato control everything. Okay, because this sede 30 is not something you can just take lightly, because if you make any mistake, it can cost you big time. okay, especially if you have more than one code. So make sure you take it to your patronato to control it for you carefully, so that you won't be paying the government a lot of money. Okay, so make sure you there's nothing bad for you to do it online, but make sure your patronato controls it before you send it. So guys, I will be updating you on everything about everything, and I hope to see you in my next upload. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and follow me on my Facebook page, Bukola Ori. And as usual, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye. Ciao, grazie.